Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi hot and sour soup. First, let's prepare our dashi base. You'll need about 10 grams of kombu and 20 grams of bonito flakes. Gently heat the kombu in 4 cups of water until just before boiling, then remove it. Add the bonito flakes, simmer for 30 seconds and strain. This creates a foundational broth for our delicious soup. Now let's introduce the signature hot and sour elements. For the hot, I recommend starting with 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, adjusting to your spice tolerance. For the sour, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Taste and adjust as you go, aiming for a balanced interplay between the heat and tang. This step truly defines the soup's character. Next, we'll add some wonderful textures and fillings. Thinly slice about 100 grams of shiitake mushrooms and 150 grams of firm tofu. Bring your dashi to a gentle simmer. Whisk 1 egg and slowly drizzle it into the soup, creating delicate egg ribbons. Finally, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to form a slurry, then stir it in to thicken the soup slightly. To finish our dashi hot and sour soup, let's add some final touches. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions. A small drizzle of sesame oil, about 1/2 teaspoon, adds a lovely aromatic depth. Serve your soup immediately while it's hot. You can also add a pinch of white pepper for an authentic touch. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.